Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ms. Rimsha from Step School Kamuki campus, your English teacher. In today's lecture, we will learn about the exploring Pakistan's heritage. Unit number 1, a journey into a majestic past. Our learning objective is that discover Pakistan's an amazing historical sites and cultural treasures. That is from your textbook page number 12 to 15. So watch this video carefully. This is the non-fiction reading. In the next slides, we will discuss about what is the difference between fiction and non-fiction reading. Let's discuss about the fiction and non-fiction. What is the difference between both of them? So let's talk about the non-fiction reading, that is based on the real facts and true events, that tells about the actual people, places and history. It can be verified and proven. For example, your textbooks and biographies books and the new articles, that is based on the factual information, that are the real facts and true events. And if we talk about the fiction reading, that is not real and it is based on the imagination and creativity, and it includes made up stories and characters that is not real and not based on the real events. For example, novels, fairy tales, fantasy stories. These are the differences between fiction and non-fiction reading. And we are going to learn the non-fiction reading about the real historical sites in Pakistan. So dear students, we are going to explore our journey heritage about the St. Patrick's Cathedral, that is a beautiful church in Karachi, and Chukandi Tombs, that is an ancient stone graves in Sindh, and Qaida Residency, that is historic home in Ziara. So watch this video carefully. So firstly we will discuss about the St. Patrick's Cathedral. Where is it? ये कहाँ पर है? Where is it located? It is located in Karachi, Pakistan. That is the largest city of Pakistan. When was it built? ये कब बनाई गई थी? It was built in 1881 during the British rule. Why is it special? ये क्यों स्पेशल है? इसे क्यों खास समझा जाता है और क्यों हम इसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? Because it is a Gothic style architecture with all tall towers and stained glass windows. Because of its building, आप इसको देख सकते हो, you can see in the picture. So the fact about this, it's over 140 years old and still standing strong today. कि ये 140 साल पुरानी है लेकिन ये still अभी भी ऐसे ही है. So in this slide we will learn about the Chukandi Tombs. Where is it located? The Chukandi Tombs are an old graves near Karachi in Sindh. They were made between the 15 to 1800 century. The tombs have beautiful stone carvings that show stories of history, fights and everyday life. They were built for Sindhi warriors and important people. This slide shows the Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of the Pakistan, the Quaid-e-Azam residency, that is in Ziyarat, Balochistan, a beautiful hill station. It is important because it was the last residence of Quaid-e-Azam in 1947. Amazing facts. What are an amazing facts about the Quaid-e-Azam residence? That are the wooden house is over 100 years old and it is protected as a national monument. So dear students, take a look of these points that we have discussed now. These points I have taken from your textbook page number 12 to 15. You have to read that pages carefully. That is very helpful to you to understand these points. So the first one, St. Patrick's Cathedral. The style of this Patrick's, that is Gothic architecture, and the year of this cathedral, that is 1881, and it is located in Karachi. And Chukandi Tombs, that were the carved sandstone and structures, and it was a period about 15th to 18th century region, that is the Sindh. And about the Quaid-e-Azam residency, the type of the house, that was wooden house, and year 1947, and it is located in Ziyarat. So dear students, this slide titled Why Heritage Matters. It highlights three main reasons heritage sites are important. First one, learn history, cultural pride and preserve for future. Let's talk about the learn history. These sites teach us about Pakistan's past, giving us knowledge of historical events, cultures and traditions. and it is about the cultural pride. They make us proud of our nation, reinforcing a sense of identity and belonging to the country's heritage. And if we talk about the preserve for our future, we must protect these treasures so they can be passed on to future generations and keeping the link to our ancestors alive. The bottom caption adds that these places connect us to our ancestors and show us where we come from, emphasizing heritage's role in understanding our roots. So dear students, this slide is a home task assignment related to unit number 1, exploring Pakistan's heritage. It outlines 3 steps. Read page number 12 to 15. Go through unit number 1, cultural heritage, in your textbook and complete the comprehension passage on page number 15. Answer the questions neatly in your English notebook, and keep in your mind you have to bring the completed work to the next class with a good luck note.